everyone, welcome to Cooking Beautifully. What are you cooking today? Today we are going to make randan noodle. This is the noodle dish from the famous Korean movie, Parasite. Instead of putting the expensive steak, we decided to put some gochujang meatball. If you don't know how to make gochujang meatball, don't forget to check out that episode. Today, right here, we have spaghetti instant noodle, nyeoguri instant noodle, 1.5 cup beef stock, and toasted sesame seed, lime, cucumber, bell pepper, scallion, gochujang meatball, and gochujang glaze. Let's get started. So now the first step we want to do is to char your vegetable. You want to take paper towel, dip it in oil. Make sure your oil lightly coat your entire cast iron pan. And you just want to put the vegetable all in. And you kind of want to wait a little bit until you see the chart. Wow, the veggies are ready. Let's set it aside. Later, we are going to julienne them. Wow, the water is boiling. Let's cook the noodle. Just put all the instant noodle in the boiling water. Don't worry that you will overcrowd your pan. The noodles will break up. Now I'm going to drain the noodles and set it aside. In the same pan, just add 1.5 cup beef stock. Add all the seasoning in. Also, don't forget the gochujang meatball. Warm the meatball. It's looking great. Now add the noodles and let it simmer. Now the noodle is ready. Let's add some julienne vegetable and assemble our dish. First, you're gonna grab a good amount of noodles. And then don't forget the delicious meatballs. Get the meatballs here. And we also have some vegetables that we char and julienne. Have some veggies here. And we also have some gochujang glaze that we made. Sprinkle some sesames on top. And garnish with some scallions. Ta-da! The randan noodle is ready! If you want, you can also squeeze some lime juice and enjoy it. Let's eat! This randan noodle is so delicious! If you are interested in randan noodle, you must try this recipe. It's so easy to replicate at home. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for choosing Cooking Beautifully, where memories are made.